This foam gun came in a 20-piece truck cleaning kit. No pressure washer required, just a garden hose. Is it actually any good, or just a filler in the box? Today we're putting it to the test. Foam thickness, coverage, build quality, and I'll let you know, is it a hidden gem or total junk? Here's a close-up of the Captain's musket. It comes with quick connect connectors. It's got a plastic nozzle on the ends. This is the selector for water, soap, or off. And the soap solution goes in this bottom container here. I'm gonna go ahead and use the 4-wheel drive wash that came in the kit. It says to load it up in a 1-to-10 ratio, so we're just going to pour a little bit in the bottom of this, and that should be enough. And when you open this up into soap mode, it'll fill this with water and mix it all up. Now we're just going to hook it to the quick connector, and then we're going to go charge up the hose. Now the hose is connected. You can see when you turn it on, it just sprays out water. When you turn it to the soap, it'll fill this and mix it in. Let's go ahead and put some water in there so we can shake it up. All right, let's get it all good and mixed. Now let's test this out and see how it works. Okay, moment of truth. Let's foam up the truck and see how this thing really performs. It's actually putting out a decent amount of foam for a garden hose unit. Definitely better than I expected. The foam is not super thick, but it's covering everything evenly. All right, we let it sit for a couple minutes, and you can see it's still soapy. Went ahead and did the whole truck. It did produce a bunch of soap. Now we're gonna give it a rinse. Foam clung pretty well. Still gonna have to use a hand mitt or something to wash everything off though. Now let's go ahead and rinse it off. The foam actually clung well enough to get most of the loose dirt off. So this might be a good first step in the wash. All right, let's break it down real quick. Pros and cons. Pretty easy setup, pretty lightweight. It does a solid job of covering with soap, even with basic hose pressure. And it's great for casual washes or for a pre-wash. Cons, it's kind of plasticky. Feels a little cheap. You have to be careful with the quick release because if you get too much pressure on it, you can pull it apart. The foam is not nearly as thick as a pressure washer cannon. Overall, not bad, especially considering it came part of a 20-piece kit that has everything else you need to wash your car. To be honest, I wasn't expecting much from this thing, but it's pretty cool. If you just want a way to foam up your truck, if you want to do a pre-wash to keep your car washing soap clean, this does a good job of removing the surface dirt. I'll link the full kit in the description if you want to check it out. And if you've used a foam gun like this, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If this video helped you, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-fluff automotive content.